Picture a chicken wing with a split personality. Lava crust, glacier core. That happens when you treat an air fryer like a bottomless drawer. No planets in retrograde. The villain is you and the gospel of fry without oil. Tonight we rip the lid off that fan in a bucket, torch a few healthy myths, and rescue dinner before your friends blacklist you on every delivery app. Make it to minute 5 and you'll pocket the one habit that kills the crunch outside, rubber inside curse for good. Curious yet? The Zero Oil Fairy Tale. The box screams guilt-free frying. Translation, turbo baking plus a marketing intern on energy drinks. Yes, you swap half a liter of oil for a polite mist, but chicken skin still hauls its own fat, and calories never vanish. You are not conjuring salad. You are trading an oil lagoon for a small power bill and a kitchen that smells less like carnival grease. Keep that in your mental clipboard. Section 5 turns the slogan "No oil, no calories" into confetti. Inside the plastic cube glows a nickel-chrome coil that hits 200 Celsius in 30 seconds. Behind it spins a 4-inch turbine, howling like a discount jet. Superheated air storms around your food and strips off surface moisture before you can say takeout. With water gone, proteins and sugars brown at breakneck speed, transforming beige boredom into golden bliss. A conventional oven wafts air at a sleepy third of a meter per second. An air fryer breaks 2 meters with room to brag. That alone chops cook time by a third, and we still have tricks to shave off more if you stick around. Your basket is not a city subway car at rush hour. Every nugget needs dance floor to spin in the heat vortex. Jam 2 kilos of food into a shoebox drawer, and you suffocate airflow, trading crunch for steam spa. Visual test. If you can't spy metal between pieces, you overpacked. Simple. Shake the drawer halfway. 6 seconds of rattle exposes every hostage potato to the jet stream. Skip it and the bottom tastes like soggy memorabilia. Remember this image next grocery night. It saves you from explaining rubber fries to hungry guests. 4 universal tweaks that actually work. 1. 90-second jump start. Preheat an empty basket for a minute and a half. Your food drops into the golden zone, not a lukewarm waiting room. Hold that thought. Most owners never preheat and then rant in reviews. Don't be that statistic. 2. Dry like the desert. Water is the sworn enemy of crunch. Pat wings or veg until the paper towel looks bored. Tiny effort, huge payoff. 3. Mist, never monsoon. 2 grams of fine spray coat evenly. Dunking in oil fogs the kitchen and murders the calorie math. Your future self will thank you during laundry day. 4. The 3-minute power nap. When the buzzer beeps, cut power, crack the drawer a finger's width. Wait. Juices migrate back to the center. Crust stiffens, steam chills out. Bite once and you'll never skip the nap again. Care to test the theory tonight? Wallet physics, power and money without headache. A standard 2500-watt fryer running 15 minutes burns about 0.4 kilowatt hours of electricity. At 30 cents per kilowatt hour, that is about 11 cents. Peanuts, sure. String 4 batches for game night, and peanuts morph into pistachios. Your full-size oven draws more juice, but roasts 3 trays at once. Moral: the air fryer is a sprint champ, not a marathoner. Use it like one. And that higher wattage, better crunch upsell? Mostly marketing sparkle. Stay tuned, Section 7 punches holes in a few more glitter claims. Hit off. Wait 2 minutes. Warm beats, blistered knuckles every day. Warm water, mild soap, soft sponge. Send 90% of grime down the drain. A metal scourer carves the non-stick into Velcro. Next session, everything glues itself to the basket. Lingering fish odor? Rub half a lemon on the warm tray. Rinse. Done. Citrus oil demolishes dockyard funk in 60 seconds. 4 minutes, and you're back on the couch. Bet you can spare that, right? Drying fruit in 1 hour really takes closer to 3. Pack patience, not disappointment. Bread toasts majestically on one side. Flip it or debate philosophy with your half-pale slice. Pin these facts for your next kitchen argument. You'll sound like Gordon Ramsay's sarcastic cousin. 8 Crunch Playbook, 15-minute feast. Starter, spiced chickpeas. 200 degrees, 15 minutes, shake twice. Instant bar snack. Main, signature wings. 180 degrees, 12 minutes, shake, 5 more. Probe hits 72 and applause follows. Side 1, curry carrot fries. 200 degrees, 10 minutes, quick shake. Picture perfect orange. Side 2, Parmesan cauliflower bites. 190 degrees, 8 minutes, shake, 4 more. Cheese shower in the final 60 seconds. Dessert, resurrected donut. 160 degrees, 3 minutes, vanilla ice cream melting over the top. Dial feels off? Add 2 minutes or bump 10 degrees. Taste, adjust, own. Circle back here if the first trial shocks you. Date Night Flex Package. Chickpeas roar while you mention how high-speed air accelerates golden flavor chemistry. Slide wings in, pop a digital probe, count from 60 to 72 like a NASA launch. Confidence smells delicious. Plate the molten ice cream donut. If sparks fly, toast science. If not, ice cream never judges. Either outcome beats awkward silence over wilted salad. Agree? Bonus tricks for loyal ears. Leftover pizza revival. 170 degrees, 4 minutes. Crackly base, bubbling cheese, midnight hero status. Roasted almonds. 150 degrees, 6 minutes, single shake. Fresh, cheap, addictive. Try stopping at one handful. Lemon peel air freshener. Rinds, 180 degrees, 2 minutes. Kitchen smells like spa water, not Friday fish fry. Stick these in your mental toolbox. They rescue sanity on busy nights. Air fryers bake fast and hard. Deep fry they do not. Less oil cuts splatter, not calories. Sorry. Space equals crunch. Crowd equals swamp. Preheat, dry, mist, shake, rest. 5 commandments for lifelong crispiness. Singed an eyebrow in healthy mode? Film it. Algorithms adore crispy karma. Still here? Good. Bluetooth is next on the chopping block. And trust me, walls are about to get roasted. Hit like if a so-called healthy recipe ever charbroiled your dinner. Drop your wildest air fryer disaster in the comments. Top tragedy becomes the meme intro for the next episode. Power down the cube. Let the chicken nap, and please stop stuffing the basket like it's Black Friday in a dollar store. See you at the next controlled combustion. Now go chase that crunch.